this is Toddy Gaming, and today we are back in Scratch. Yes, I'm making a video about Scratch again, but today we will be learning about events. So based on every single thing in the code, you have like blocks, variables, operators, sensing, controls, events, sounds, look, and motion. But the most important thing is the events. If you don't have an event, you can't really start an animation or like a game. Yeah. So let's say I'm playing a game. I have to click on the green flags in order to start the animation or the game. If I click on this, it will move, go 10 steps. Yep, it will go 10 steps. So I'm just gonna put it back. Yep. So you need this event. So if I click it, it will do the command. What this event is doing is it's telling an action. So it's basically the game or the Scratch, whatever you want to call it, is waiting for you it's waiting for you to click on to start this thing. But it needs an event, because the script does not know when are you starting it. So every time you click it, it will start, but the game still does not know are you starting it or not. So you need an event to tell them to start the action. So the game was always ready to do the code. It's always ready. But if you don't have the event, they do not know like when to start. So if we add the green flag, if we click it, and it will do that. It'll do like a little flying, floating kind of thing. We'll just go that. But if we don't have the events, when we start, it doesn't work. Only work if I click on this. But people does not get access to this, and they don't know what to do with it. They only know to click on the green flag to start any action. So you always need an event to start. So any event could be green flag clicked, or when space clicked, or touch the sprite, loudness, all that thing. But today, the mostly important thing we're going to be learning about is the green flag. When the green flag clicked. So let's start with a simple thing. What we're gonna be learning is when this green flag clicked. So in any kind of script, there was always a beginning. Like you can't just say for script you just say like move 10 steps. I mean this is a thing in Scratch. But you can't just say move 10 steps. You gotta tell the game when to move 10 steps. Let's say game, and then game dots. Basically, game is a representative of an event. It's telling it's the game that the character is gonna move. Well, the green flag is the same thing. Once you click on the green flag, it will start anything. So we'll just start with a simple kind of space kind of thing. So what we'll do is we'll start with the green flag, and then first we're gonna let the sprite, this cat, to go at the first, and might as well just name the cat so we can remember it. I mean, there's only one sprite, but whatever. So we're going to make a space kind of thing. So we are going to make the cat go over here. And then the cat will rise up over here and will glide to there. But before, we need to wait. I will be teaching you guys weights in the future videos of what representative of weight. But we'll just wait 1 sec. And maybe actually 0 sec. And we'll glide to maybe just 0.1 sec, and it will glide up there. And then once it glides up there, it will go down. And then you also need this basically duplication, and you want to you can just duplicate this. Just duplicate this. You can and then the cat will glide down over here with the weights on. Then the sprite will go up here, and we'll also glide here, and then wait another sec, and we'll glide down here. And then this will be the finishing touch, and this is the thing. So now if we start it, the cat will rise up, go down, go up, and go down. This is just the event. But if we don't have the events, we'll just delete that, and we click on that. It still works. But it's kind of like digging a hole in your house wall and activate the wires. There's always a light switch. That's the thing. So that's what the event's for. It's always giving an action to all of your codes. So that's what it is. And I think 0 seconds will do the trick. 0 seconds could definitely do it. Yeah, we can just do that. And, this works. This is just basically a gravity kind of thing. So basically, the events will go. Now, this is just a green flag event. There's also other events, is when the sprite is clicked or the backdrop switches. Well, let's say that when the sprite's clicked. Now, we will first let it go to the position. Now, if we started and now we click it, it will go like this. So, we could say, the event could be a space. The space key goes pressed. I'm just gonna make him go there, and when the space key is pressed, he will automatically go up and down. So this is just basically an event. This is just basically an event. There's also different events where it's like when the loudness reaches 10. What this is meaning is, let's say there's gonna be an explosion, and then you know how there's many cartoons where it's like they hear a sound of like wolf howling or anything. They'll say, "What was that?" So instead of making like instead of making it do it like that, instead of making wait 100 seconds till like he figures out what's happening when it goes at this time, you can just do when loudness reaches 10. So that it will automatically, when he hears it, he will just jump up and down and up. So that's what the events. There's also events is like when the backdrop switches. It's just basically how the backdrop switches. So let's make new backdrop. So we have backdrop 1 and backdrop 2, and for backdrop 2, we'll just make this purple. Now I'm gonna make backdrop 1, and then we're gonna do when backdrop switches to backdrop 1, then maybe it will switch to backdrop 2 and wait. So that won't work because we don't have a command of it. So of course you'll do need something like this, and yeah, that'll work. And of how the thing works. But There's also other ways, you know. About the events, there's also different events you can do. There's a lot of events you can do. And yeah, so this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.